we will start to discuss theory for mass communication, for mass media, and from this week on, we'll move on to another subject related to theories. I asked you in the topic questions about theories, about the relationship between theory and, say, model. Have you ever thought about why? Why do we need theories? Why do we need theories? Not only for communication, mass communication, but more generally speaking, why do we need theories for things, for topics, for subjects, for reality in general? We need theories simply because we are curious beings, because we are curious animals. We not only want to know about the superficial phenomenon, the superficial reality about the world, but we also are interested in more generalized, more abstract, say shorter versions of explanations of how and why the reality, the outside world is as it is. We need theories. So here, theories we refer to not only in the subject of communication, mass communication, but also in other fields, other realms of knowledge, such as physical science, hard science, in the social sciences. Theory simply means a highly abstract, highly generalized description and explanation of reality. The object we study in mass communication, in social science, is the society, is the social existence, the social organization, social institutions made up by human beings. Mainly, we are looking at human beings in groups of different sizes. When we talk about the businesses of human beings, it's rather very different than the objects, than the phenomena in the natural world, such as earthquake, such as the cloud, the wind, such as the elements, iron, copper, such as electricity, such as light and water. These objects in the natural world, answer my question, what is the difference, or what are the differences between these physical objects and object of study of social sciences? What's the difference between the natural objects and, say, human beings, the object of study in social sciences, which is human beings? 你们觉得呢？这个物理科学研究的这个对象，这个物质世界跟叫什么人文社会科学，比方说传播学研究的对象，人类社会或者人的个体的这个集合，这两者研究对象之间差异在哪儿？ At the very least, the object is an object. This iPhone is made of parts. As long as it's this specific type of iPhone, which is iPhone, say 12, then it should be the same everywhere else in the world, theoretically speaking, okay? Because they are manufactured according to one standard with the same set of instructions by the same standard through the same procedures. So basically, every iPhone 12 should be the same everywhere else in the world. It's a similar deal. An atom of hydrogen is the same everywhere else in the world, in this universe. In the universe, we know. The object of the natural world as the object of our scientific inquiry is rather fixed, does not change a lot, does not change much. In contrast, what about human beings? The problem is human beings, as human beings, we have free will. We do things according to our own will. Objects do not have their own will. We move about, we do things, we talk to each other, we act. Sometimes our behavior is predictable, but a lot of other times our behaviors are not predictable at all. That's the huge problem. That's the huge problem for the study of the society and of phenomena and of reality that are made up by human being.